Bummer about the fireworks shows and the fire restrictions in Douglas County and a lot of other places, but Lisa, it is going to be hot this weekend. Maybe a little rain though, that could help too.
That was our plan. We were gonna do the Douglas County ones. I guess it'll just be snakes in the front yard now. We've got temperatures that'll be close to about 80 degrees by 10 o'clock, sunny and warm at the park. You're gonna find hot conditions again today, low to mid 90s between about 4 and 5 o'clock. A few storms are possible, so when those roll through, you're gonna find a brief cool down and a nice break from the heat. We could though also get some lightning with these storms, and with as dry as everything's been, that unfortunately is a problem too when it comes to fires. Storms expected each afternoon through the holiday. A few could turn severe, mainly east of Denver and out on the plains. It does look like, though, for those fireworks shows that are still a go on Saturday night, the storms are going to clear out in time for that. This is not clearing out. This is from Lookout Mountain. You can see just how hazy it is. We're under another air quality warning until at least 4 o'clock this afternoon. It could be issued again for tomorrow. They'll make that change for the next 24 hours this afternoon, but you can see it's a first alert after we're looking at an ozone action day alert with that because of the concentrations of ground level ozone. As far as the rest of the state, at this point, no alerts in place. We could see some fire weather warnings though issued this weekend. 60s expected this morning if you're heading out early, if you've got to work today. Littleton's at 59, Firestone 62, and in Aurora 60. If you're just packing up, heading up to the high country or getting out of town, you'll find dry conditions across the state and on those roadways this morning. The risk of severe weather today covering a portion of eastern Colorado for some of the gustier winds and some areas of larger hail. So a few of those cells could turn severe. By 11 to 11:30, we're in the low to mid 80s. We'll get a few storms popping through by early afternoon. That's right around 2 o'clock. Still warm though, low 90s. So it's about a 20 to 30% chance for a storm for us here. As you get farther east, those storms are going to get stronger through late afternoon, early evening, and then clear out. So we'll be under a little mix of sun and clouds by sunset. 60s again early Saturday on the 4th, and then more storms popping up by early afternoon, first in the foothills and then east. And then we'll see highs right around 88 to near 90 tomorrow. So it's going to be a few degrees cooler on the 4th, but still pretty warm. A few more storms again right around 8 to 8:20 it looks like, but most of that east of Denver by that point Saturday night. We'll see a few more on Sunday, so it's going to be a chance each afternoon. Close to 90 though on Sunday. Into the first of next week, it gets really hot. In fact, next week we're tracking some mid to even upper 90s. We may see some of our first triple-digit heat of the season, Jason, next week.